Okay. So a system of nonlinear equations is almost the same as a system of linear equations, like when it comes to the solving part, but it's just the physical appearance of it that's different. Because in a linear equation, the highest power of the variables x and y is 1. But in a nonlinear, it's greater than 1. Okay?
Okay.
So in this question, we have one equation which is 2x plus y equals to 1. And the second equation is x squared plus y squared equals to 1. So there are two ways of solving this. One is substitution and the other is elimination. So which method are you most familiar with?
What's elimination?
Elimination is when you eliminate one variable from the system and then you just focus on the other variable and try to find the value of that.
Normally elimination then.
You want to do elimination?
Yeah.
Okay. So in elimination, in this case, what we'll do is we'll square both the first equation actually. 2x plus y equals to 1 whole square and 1 whole square. So do you know how to expand like a bracket which has a square on top of it?
Yeah, so would it be like 2x squared, or do I have to, or would it be 4x squared?
4x squared. And then?
Plus y squared.
Plus your 4x, then plus 4xy actually, and then y squared equals to 1.
How come you have 4xy again?
Because look, 2x plus y whole square is basically 2x plus y being multiplied to each other, right?
Yeah.
So when we do that, first we do 2x times 2x plus y, then plus y times 2x plus y. So
Okay.
this becomes 4x squared plus 2xy, then plus 2xy plus y squared, which then equals to 8x squared plus 4xy plus y squared.
Okay.
Okay, so going back, so this is our first equation now. So, and second equation we had was x squared plus y squared equals to 1. So what we can do is we can subtract both the equations. Okay.
Okay.
So this then becomes subtract this. So 4x squared minus x squared plus 4xy plus y squared minus y squared equals to 1 minus 1. Okay.
Okay.
So this becomes 3x squared plus 4xy equals to 0. You get it?
Yeah, I get it.
So 3, we take x common. 3x plus 4y equals to 0. So that's 3x equals to negative 4y and x equals to negative 4 over 3y. Okay.
Okay.
So now what we do is we substitute this value in the second equation. X squared plus y squared equals to 1. So since the value of x is negative 4 over 3y, the square then y squared equals to 1. So this equals to negative 16 y squared over 9 plus y squared equals to 1. Then 16y squared plus 9y squared over 9 equals to 1. Any questions?
No.
Okay. So then 16, negative 16y squared plus 9y squared equals to 9. Minus 16 plus 9 is negative 7y squared. Yeah, equals to 9. Y is equals to 9. Okay. So for substitution, what we do is we choose a variable. We can either choose x or y. So which variable do you want to choose?
Y.
Y. So from the first equation, we make y the subject and it becomes y equals to 1 minus 2x. Okay? So now this
Okay.
is equation 3 and we substitute 3 in 2. Clear?
What do you mean substitute 3 and 2?
So basically we'll substitute the equation y equals to 1 minus 2x in equation 2. Because in equation 2, we have two variables. Okay? So it becomes x squared plus 1 minus 2x whole squared equals to 1. Now we have an equation which only contains one variable. It's going to be easier to solve this. So x squared plus, okay, how would we expand 1 minus 2x whole square?
Then 1 squared.
Hmm.
Minus 4x squared.
Minus 4x. Then plus 4x squared. Just do this 1 minus 2x times 1 minus 2x.
Okay.
If you're not familiar with this, you could use the formula a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Have you used this before?
No.
Okay, then just do the bracket, multiply the 1 minus 2x twice. That will be easier for you.
Should I do it now or like later?
So you can do it, but you get the method?
Yeah.
Okay. So we do x squared plus 1 minus 4x plus 4x squared equals to 1. We combine the like variables, so it becomes 5x squared minus 4x plus 1 minus 1 equals to 0. So that's 5x squared minus 4x equals to 0. So since x is common, we take x common. X times 5x minus 4 equals to 0. So now one value of x is 4. Sorry, x is 0. And the other is 4 by 5. Any questions?
How did you get x equals 0 and x is equal to 4 over 5?
Because in this step, it's x times 5x minus 4 equals to 0. So if you remember factorization, when we have reached our value of roots, what we do is we separate them. So when we separate them, one value of x is 0 and the other becomes 5x minus 4 equals to 0. So then we take 4 on the other side and it becomes 5x equals to 4 and then x equals to 4 by 5.
Okay.
Is it clear now?
Yeah, I get it.
Okay. So then what we do is we go back to equation 3, which is 1 y equals to 1 minus 2x, and we substitute both values of x. So at x equals to 0, we have y equals to 1 minus 2 times 0, which equals to 1. And at x equals to negative, wait, positive, to 4 by 5, y is 1 minus 2 times 4 by 5, which is 1 minus 8 by 5, negative 3 by 5.
Okay.
So these are the corresponding values of y for those values of x.
Okay.
Does it make sense?
Yeah, yeah.